Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. I am severely dressed down, but it's okay because it's a Sunday. I got this little fuzzy thing on me. We are at our newest listing. Right now, the New Jersey real estate market is seriously out of control. It's hot, it's fire, it's drop it like it's hot. I don't know, whatever song that is. But we are bringing the inventory to you guys. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, fully renovated Cape Cod, an incredible Clifton location. The dead end street, a park is right there. Go take a look.